Tired of deep frying in gallons of oil? I am Korean Master Chef Lim. Today, I'll reveal a 600-year-old royal secret to making Korea's very first fried chicken, Poge, using absolutely zero cooking oil. It was King Sejong the Great's absolute favorite, and it's guaranteed 10 times tastier than modern chicken. Let's begin. The process is incredibly simple. No microwaves, no splattering oil. All you need is one frying pan with a lid. You might wonder, how do we fry without oil? Here's the secret ingredient. By the way, you can find the full recipe with exact measurements on our website linked below. Now, prepare your frying pan and turn on the heat. Put all the chicken right into the pan. Do you know what this is? It's beef kidney fat, also known as dute oil. We use about 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. If you can't find it, high-quality beef tallow or even duck fat are fantastic substitutes. As it heats up, this rich animal fat will melt and fry our chicken to perfection. Add one whole green onion and cover tightly with a lid. This traps the heat, creating a convection effect that cooks the chicken evenly. Cook for 5 minutes on one side, then flip. If you're enjoying this, please hit that like and subscribe button. Now, let's make our secret crispy coating. Mix 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Add 100 grams, or about 3.5 ounces, which is half a cup of water, and mix it well. Now, another chef's secret. Add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. The vinegar coagulates the proteins, making the chicken incredibly tender and chewy. Finish with 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil to completely eliminate any unwanted smell, and a pinch of black pepper. Now, our crispy coating is fully ready. It's been another 5 minutes. Look at how beautifully the beef fat has rendered. Turn off the heat and remove only the chicken. We must discard this excess fat from the pan, but don't throw it away at home. Did you know? King Sejong, who deeply loved this chicken, is Korea's greatest sage king, who actually invented the Korean alphabet, Hangul. Great kings certainly had great taste in food. Just add some garlic, ginger, and chili powder to this oil later, and you'll have the most amazing stew base. Now wipe the pan clean and put the roasted chicken back in. Turn the heat to the absolute highest. This is crucial. Pour our secret flour and soy sauce batter all over the chicken. Toss it quickly. The high heat instantly cooks the flour, wrapping the chicken in a savory, chewy glaze. The vinegar and high heat create an incredibly soft, yet chewy texture with absolutely zero gamey smell. And just like that, Korea's greatest royal chicken Poge is complete. King Sejong the Great were here, he would truly love this. Listen to that sizzle and look at this beautiful glaze. You don't need to order takeout anymore. Just grab some chicken thighs or breasts from your local grocery store and make this 600-year-old royal recipe at home. For the full recipe, check the link in our description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more MasterChef secrets. Enjoy this historical dish, and I'll see you next time.